Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's having trouble keeping RGB as their default color palette. And she did tell me that she went to color management. And if you can see, the default on mine is RGB. But if you go to default, it changes it to CMYK. Well, if first I would go to make it back to RGB and press OK. Now I'm going to get rid of my color palette. I'm going to palette and close. Now, if you will go up to Windows and color palettes, and not palette editor, but palettes, and click on RGB, your RGB will be there. Now, with that said, I would go to Tools, Save as Default, and make sure all these are changed. And then every time you open up a new page or even restart Corel, your color palette is going to be RGB. I hope that worked for them. That's what I've always done. I've never really played around with the color management. I just set my RGB to default under the palettes. And you can, you can have two palettes open. You could go CMYK and have two palettes open. But then you can just always uncheck it and get rid of it, or basically get rid of it like I did a while ago by going up here. Give that a try, and if that doesn't work, let me know and we'll help you figure out something else. Thank you for watching.